Okay, moment of truth. I've come home and I've got the ATAR 20 to 2025 notes. And is their stuff better than mine? Okay, it cost over $40 because I had to pay $10 to get it shipped here. And I only allowed courier stuff. All right. So thank you for paying all that money. All right, 2023 to 2025, which is already got me worried. It's only written by students and they're not obviously going to publish and update online. They're committing to 2 years. All right. It's pretty thin, to be honest. And they're not going to be able to do updates. So let's just have a flick through. What's been on the exam before. Yeah, it's got some mention of things in there, but it doesn't talk about hydrogen bonding causing it. Oh, it does up the top. Okay, so that's okay. So it is slightly less detail and not as good as the notes that I have. It's not terrible, but I wouldn't want to use that. The reactions doesn't have a summary sheet. They're all in bits and pieces. This is really light on the ground, guys. It's less than 60. It's 64 pages, including everything. So that's not all notes. Let's check out their She diagram. That's something I updated this week. Yeah, no diagram at all. Just a diagram of galvanic electrolytic cells. That could cause problems if you have a harder question related to that. It's going to get you an improvement if you're a medium level student, but if you're trying to get the higher regions, there's another good one. There's a titration curves. Have they explained why it's half the equivalence point? I can't see it here. And it shows by the equations. So if you can't see the equations, then it's not going to work. So they haven't explained. So they could ask you in a test, which they've done before, explain why the half equivalence point is what it is. Oh, yeah, it's just really vague, the bare basics. So it's not going to get you to the top levels. And that's just my first impressions. I haven't read through it in detail. Which I normally do when I do my PowerPoints. I compare every other source to make sure my stuff is as good as or better than the other stuff. And I update. Even sometimes every week I'll do an update if something can be done better or improved. Okay, so don't spend $40 on Unit 3-4 notes, ATAR notes. Spend way less than that and go to my website and get way more. Okay, you can get all complete the best notes for Units 1, 2, 3, 4. And everything else that comes with it. All right, see you later.